Since 1962, MSC Filtration Technologies of Enfield, Connecticut, has been engineering innovative, simple, and easy-to-use machine tool coolant filtration and handling equipment for our customers. MSC's latest product offering is the Clean CMS Coolant Management System, which provides its customers simple, easy, and effective capability for on-site centralized recycling and reuse of machine tool coolant for potential indefinite reuse. Benefits of the Clean CMS system are numerous, and not limited to reduced coolant concentrate purchasing requirements, increased tool life, improved parts finishes, reduced scrap, reduced waste disposal costs, and minimized downtime from manual machine tool sump cleanouts. The Clean CMS Coolant Management System is designed to reduce particulate and tramp oil in machine tool coolant in order to prevent fouling without affecting coolant chemistry. It also provides a centralized platform for coolant additive replenishment, coolant rebalance from water evaporation, and even optional ozone treatment for biological reduction. The coolant recycling process begins when an operator transfers clean coolant, which has been left in the recycler for up to 8 hours of automatic processing, into a clean transfer tote for transfer to a machine tool scheduled for coolant replacement. The pump out is completed using the supplied pump out hose, fill spigot, and air diaphragm pump, which has a combined use of clean coolant filtration polishing and pump out controlled by the turning of an onboard three-way valve. Clean coolant is then taken to one or several machine tools scheduled for coolant replacement. The schedule is typically 6 to 8 weeks for each machine based on quality of initial coolant, type of coolant, materials being machined, coolant filtration at the machine, and aggressiveness of the machining process on the coolant. Dirty coolant is then brought to the recycler and pumped into it through a bag filter, which removes machining chips and other hard contaminant. Filtered coolant, then pulled by gravity, flows down under a separator baffle and through MSC Filtration's proprietary and maintenance-free coalescer basket, which coalesces and separates tramp oil out of the coolant. As coalesced tramp oil becomes trapped in the section highlighted here, it slowly floats to the top and collects as a thick layer of oil for removal later. Clean coolant then flows under one baffle and up and over an overflow baffle into the clean coolant section of the CMS Clean Coolant Management System, which in real time looks like this. Once in the clean section, coolant is left in the Clean CMS system for up to 8 hours, where it is polished for removal of tramp oil, as a floating suction continually pulls coolant from the top of the clean section and recirculates it through the dirty section to polish off any remaining tramp oil. While this is happening, clean coolant is also filtered of small particulate, as coolant is recirculated through a fine high-capacity bag filter. Removal and disposal of collected tramp oil begins by easily and quickly connecting an MSC Filtration Technologies air-driven oil SEP CR2.5 portable tramp oil separator to the Clean CMS Coolant Management System, using onboard hoses and quick disconnect fittings. The oil SEP CR2.5 then pulls collected and separated tramp oil out of the CMS system using the floating suction located in its tramp oil separator section. Tramp oil is then concentrated in the oil sep and intermittently gravity drained off into a bucket for waste disposal. To learn more about how the portable oil sep CR 2.5 works, please watch our other video linked in the description below. The advantage of using an oil sep CR 2.5 portable tramp oil separator instead of a permanent tramp oil separator installed on the CMS coolant management system is it allows operators to move the CR 2.5 to individual machine tools and remove tramp oil at the source. This in turn reduces the amount of times the machine tool needs to be cleaned out, providing a significant increase in machine tool productivity. The final stage before clean coolant can be pumped out of the CMS system is coolant rebalance, required due to water evaporation. The CMS system allows this process to be manual or automatic using the optional MSC Filtration Technologies Auto Balance Controller. To begin the manual process of coolant rebalance, an operator checks the clean coolant concentrate percentage using a refractometer along with the clean coolant volume in the tank. The example shown here references a clean tank with a final recycled volume of 700 gallons. And a measured concentrate level of 7%, with the known concentrate target being 6.5%. To calculate how much water to add to the coolant, operators now simply multiply 700 gallons by 7%, or 0.07, to get the volume of actual concentrate in the coolant, which in this example equals 49 gallons of concentrate. Then the operator would divide 49 gallons of concentrate by the targeted percentage of 6.5%, or 0.065, and in this case gets 753 gallons, which is the level the recycler needs water added to. It is recommended for refilling that operators use water with 0.1% of coolant concentrate mixed by a proportioning pump supplied with the CMS system so as to ensure regular coolant additive replacements such as anti-foam and biocides. It is also recommended the supply water be at least 50 ohm deionized water in order to prevent long-term mineral buildup and concentration, which will affect coolant chemistry. Once this rebalance step is completed as shown, the whole recycling process is then ready to start all over again. The FilClean CMS system may be purchased in several standard sizes of between 200 and 1,500 gallons of coolant processing capacity per day, or even greater non-standard. Standard design features built into the FilClean CMS are many, but not limited to 3-sided operational access space savings so the unit may be installed against a wall. Floor-level top-view access prevents dangerous climb points for operators who may want to view the recycling process. There are also several options to choose from based on customers' budget, preferences, and machining processes when purchasing a CMS coolant management system, with some of them upgradable after the system is installed. These include a gravity paper automatic indexing filter may be installed in lieu of a disposable bag filter for high dirt-loaded coolants, or even upgraded later after purchase. This indexing automatic self-cleaning filter can also be supplied with a FilClean RDM rotating drum magnet for continuous and unlimited pre-filtration of ferric particulate. Cleanable and reusable MSC MagFill magnetic pre-filters can be supplied in the bag filter housings for extra ferric particulate removal, thus increasing disposable bag filter life. Ozone generation providing biological treatment of recycled coolant may also be supplied with the standard unit or even upgraded later if found to be necessary. MSC's auto balance system can be supplied for automatic rebalance of the coolant without operator involvement. The auto balance system may also be tied into the FilClean Autofill automatic pump-out system, which provides automatic pump-out of recycled clean coolant to a distribution tank and header. This option eliminates the need to tote transfer recycled coolant to machine tools, and also allows operators to top off coolant machine tool tanks with perfectly balanced, clean, recycled coolant anytime they want. This eliminates the need for time-consuming fetching of clean coolant or bucket mixing by operators, allowing them to focus more on machining and less on maintaining coolant levels in their coolant sumps. As shown in this video, the FilClean CMS system is incredibly easy to install, set up, and use, and costs very little to run, with the only consumables being bag filters, which only cost a few dollars each, or roll media, which costs less than a few dollars a yard. Simply put, the FilClean CMS system is so easy to install and use that customers can be well on their way to saving many thousands of dollars a month through reduced coolant concentrate purchases and improved machine tool processes almost immediately once delivered, and with very little training. To learn more about MSC Filtration Technologies' over 60 years of experience in the machine tool coolant filtration and handling industry, along with our products that support it, please visit MSC Filtration Technologies' website at www.mscfiltertech.com, or feel free to send us an email at the link below. And thank you very much for watching.